Hey, future CMAs, Peter Olinto here, one of the lead accounting and finance instructors at UWorld. I've got a powerhouse with me, Monty!
That's right, I'm Monty Swain, a UWorld CMA lead instructor and a professor who spent years helping candidates pass the CMA exam. That's not the only thing I do with my life, but I love that work. And between the two of us, we've aided thousands. You're next.
We help candidates pass with proven tools, including 6,000 plus expertly crafted exam-level questions. We also have in-depth video lectures and exclusive live CMA boot camps that are timed perfectly to the exam windows.
You know what? Our students have been earning the ICMA medals. These are awarded to the world's top CMA exam scorers every year. And whether you're aiming for a medal or just want to pass, we're with you.
I always want a medal. Now, you're going to train with challenging practice questions. The 11th hour final review course, well, that's going to help you master the most difficult material. And then, of course, we've got full-length mock exams that are going to mirror the real thing.
Every practice question undergoes a 17-step review. Nothing gets through unless it's accurate, exam relevant, and crystal clear.
Now, yes, we've got letters after our names, but you know what matters here the most? The ones that are coming after yours.
Let's get you CMA ready so that you can trade stress for success. It's study time, baby. We'll see you in class.
That's right. And who's better than us? Nobody!